I don't need to mash different shades together to get my skin tone. I'm still speechless. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I have another foundation video, because at the moment guys, I'm actually on a foundation hunt. I have a foundation I use at the moment, which is my holy grail, is the Estee Lauder. I think the color is deep spice. I love this foundation, but at the same time, after using foundation for a little while, you get bored and you want to try something different. I really want to start buying different foundation now so I can switch it around. I think that's more interesting than just sticking to one foundation. Also guys, I'm the type, when I love something, I can keep using that thing all the time. It can be foundation, it can be clothes, it can be shoes. I don't know if some of you are like me, you just stick to it because you think it suits you, you don't want to change. But this time I want to change. That's why in this video we're gonna be trying out one today. And at the same time guys, I think the Estee Lauder one is quite expensive. I think I paid about 38 euros. I can't remember. So I decided to do something that everyone can afford, because not everybody can afford that. So I thought, okay, let me go to eBay. You never know, I might find something. I went to eBay. I found this cheap foundation. Let me really check how much I paid for it. So the foundation is €4.46. €4.46. The postage is €2.31. So altogether everything is about €6.70. That is crazy for a foundation. That's how much I paid for the foundation. So let me quickly show you guys what the foundation looks like. So this is the packaging. You know when you receive stuff from eBay, this is how you normally receive it. I opened it, as you can see. The packaging is a bit weird. This is what the packaging looks like. They didn't package it here. Like, I think they're supposed to put it together. I don't know why they would want to post something like this. Maybe their reason is that when they put it inside, it might destroy. I don't know their reason behind this, but I just think it's not impressive at all. It's not impressive. So the packaging is off. This is how I'm supposed to receive it, is it not? If I had received it like this, I think it looks cute. This is actually my second time buying foundation online. My first time getting a foundation from eBay. And the brand is called Phoera. I will write it out so you guys can see. People can pronounce it differently, but that is how I can actually say it right now. Phoera. And the color I picked guys is so this one is mocha. I think this is actually second to the darkest color they have on the website. I decided to just pick this one because I was just worried that the other one might be too dark for me. I don't even know why I did not pick that now, because sometimes it's good when foundation is more darker than when it's too light. But anyways, we're gonna see. So on the packaging, the color is 109 mocha. For the coverage, it says soft matte long wear liquid foundation, full coverage foundation, naturally flawless oil controlling lightweight feel. Anyways, we're gonna be saying that now because it's not about saying it all. I expect this foundation to do what it actually says on the bottle. I love foundation when it comes with pump. I don't like when I have a foundation I have to go and spend money. Like when you buy all this high-end foundation, you have to end up paying another $5 or $10 to buy pump. But this one came with pump, which is a good plus. I didn't put anything on my face. I only just used moisturizer when I washed my face. So I only did my eyebrow and nothing else. We are going to be testing this foundation out to help this foundation, because I've never tried a €5 foundation ever. I'm just worried how this foundation is going to turn out. I decided to actually spray my matte face gloss. Maybe that might help the foundation to glide on well. Normally I'm not meant to use this at all because I wanted to see what this foundation will look like, but I just want to help the foundation out with this. Yeah. This foundation in back of my hand guys, you can see how the color even blends to my skin. Like it's like in between, not too thick, not too liquidy not too liquidy, not too thick, not too light. I'm so looking forward now to put it on my face, because right now I think the color really matches my skin. I was not expecting this for this foundation at all. I was just thinking it's gonna be so light. This is crazy guys. This is just €5 foundation. Guys, the foundation blending so well. This foundation is a bomb and it blends in so well. Wow. I love this foundation. I was really worried. I know I actually sprayed Max Fix Plus, but no primer. Yeah, guys, let me build it up more. So let me just add a little bit more. And the good thing about this foundation, guys, it's not heavy at all. Like, you know, when you wear some foundation, it's like you're wearing a mask. It's heavy. This one, nothing like that. See a little bit of that orangey tone now, but it's not too much. I think the color matches me. So when I wear this foundation, I'm gonna make sure that whatever concealer I'm using shouldn't be too bright, because the foundation, I think, is still a little bit bright for me when I apply too much. 2 coats is okay for me. Anything more than that, it might be too much for my face, I don't know. So we're gonna add another layer. The foundation for now. It doesn't dry out so quick. Let me just finish it. Guys, that is it. Like, the coverage is very good. Like, the foundation, I think it matches me. I think it matches my skin. What do you guys think? Because me saying it right now, it matches my skin. There's just a tiny bit of orangey tone to it. Tiny bit of orangey tone, but which I think is not too much at all. So I'm actually gonna see how it looks like when it dries out. The foundation is amazing. Tom, what do you think?
Very nice.
You didn't even look at my face. You said very nice. You didn't look.
Very nice.
It's nice. One thing I love about this foundation right now is the fact that I don't have to mix 2 different colors to get my skin tone. I'm the kind of person, guys, it's so hard for me to get a foundation that just matches my skin. When I used to use MAC, I tend to mix like NC50 with NW55. So I have to mix the cooler side with the warmer side to get my skin tone. This is what the bottle look like. So this is 30 ml, is a small bottle. It's really matte, like it says on the bottle, because I can't really give my final result yet. I have to come back a few hours time to give you guys my final result. So by the time I come back, guys, I'm definitely going to be wearing makeup because I have another video to film. So it's even good, then I will see how it works with other products. This is about 3 hours later. The plan was to stay for 6 hours. It's getting dark because I didn't start this on time. What do you guys think now about this foundation? So what do you think about the picture when I just applied it and now? Do you guys see the difference? But when I started applying it on my skin, I was getting worried that it was a bit getting orangey. By the time it dries out, you can see that color, I'm not seeing it anymore. It dries in so well. Anyway, when you're wearing foundation, you think you're packing too much, but when it dries out, you see that it's not too much. So, and it's matte. I love matte finish. This is without primer. 3 hours later, this is what I'm getting. I know that's not enough time for me to really tell you guys more about this foundation, and I can't wait to do a second video about this foundation. I love when foundation matches my skin so well. That's why foundation is so hard for me to get. I love when my foundation is a bit darker. By the time I apply my primer, my setting powder and all that jazz, you see that it blends in well. Then I can work with it more. So I think I'm gonna go get even the darkest color. I want to see what that color looks like. If I think it's too dark for me, I'll stick to this. This color, I think it's okay. I don't need to mash different shades together to get my skin tone. I'm still speechless. To be honest, I've not really used most of the drugstore foundations. I'm just worried about what they will look on me. So I'm going to be listing the link of this foundation in the description box of this video in case you guys want to go check the foundation out. I bought this with my own money. I just thought it's nice for those of you that are looking for cheaper foundation that is good for the money. That is why I'm doing this. Even the packaging was not very impressive when I saw it, but like they say, don't always judge book by the cover. Yeah. Did I forget anything about this foundation? Yeah, they said waterproof. It's only when there is rain I can tell, or maybe when I swim. For me, I can never swim with foundation. I can't really say it's waterproof because I didn't try that part. I really need to try more foundations like this. I can't wait to try more now because this one gives me hope. This one gives me hope. I love it. That is for this foundation, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more foundation review like this, especially those cheaper foundation, you guys want to see how they look, just like this video. When I see you guys like this video, I want to do more videos like this. I hope you guys enjoy it, and catch you guys again in my next video. And like I always say, I love you all, but Jesus loves you more.